Hello, today I'm going over the visible nebula graphing Messier objects. Now, we've been talking about nebula, but what we haven't talked about is this Messier catalog. These are objects. There are 110 of them, 110. This was a very early catalog of objects that we could see with the naked eye in the night sky. So assuming it's very dark, assuming you have no light pollution, it's a clear night, all those kinds of things. These are objects besides stars that we can see in the night sky. And then there's a couple famous examples here, like M31, Messier object 31, is the Andromeda galaxy. The Orion Nebula is M42. So what we're gonna do is, of that list, these are how many nebula of the different types we've talked about. This is just the ones on this list. So obviously there's more of these out there that we can see with telescopes and study with satellites and things like that. But these are the ones that we can see that are part of this list, this Messier catalog. There are 7 diffuse nebula that are part of it, 4 planetary, and 1 supernova remnant. And this is about what you'd expect for the normal numbers. There's going to be a lot more diffuse nebula in our galaxy. There's a medium number of planetary nebula because average stars like our sun are very common. And there's much fewer supernova remnant because they're not as common as these other events. Supernova are fairly rare. So you don't have as many supernova remnant nebula. Now we're going to graph this here, and I'm going to show you. You can always pause this. But on our x-axis on the bottom, we have each of our 3 different types of nebula. And this is going to be a bar graph. And then on the y-axis, I've got the number of visible nebula. And that's 0 at the bottom to 10 up at the top. And you're just going to make a bar graph for each one of these, diffuse, planetary, and supernova remnant. So copy this, finish it off, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.